Okay people, so we are at Max, and if you were to take a look, there are these mind-boggling offers really, and it is, see, for buy two at $3.99, and if you were to take a look, there is 50% off, 70% off. I think it is the end of the year stock that is being cleared out, because of which we have pretty low prices really. And this is on Republic Day, so yeah. And if you were to look at the pajamas also, you get it at a very reasonable $350. That's like the general price. Okay, $3.99, but apparently it's available for $1.99. You want to take a look at this? Really good stuff, yeah. So it's highly recommended coming here, and I was most impressed by these eco-friendly green jeans. So yeah, I think you need to make use of this. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.